Hello, my name is Janelli, and I'll be focusing on three topics in this video: how to listen attentively during class, how to get your homework done in time, and how to prepare for an upcoming test. The first topic is how to listen attentively during class. One thing you can do is to try to fix some of our habits, which could be checking on our phones every minute or even being on our phones and getting ourselves distracted. What we can do is to put our phones away, but in a place that can still be visible for upcoming calls or even emergency calls. What could also help us listen attentively during class is to be in a quiet place where we can focus and not get distracted by our own surroundings, and also to get plenty of sleep to not be tired during class. The second topic is to get our homework done in time. One thing that many students struggle with is to procrastinate. This has many effects, which could be doing things last minute or being stressed. One thing that could help us is to be motivated. Students nowadays need motivation to do work. What I suggest is to download an app that gives you motivation quotes. On the other hand, managing your time wisely helps us getting your work done in time. It's preferably better to do your work after school between the time 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. And lastly, to get our homework done in time is to attend classes so that you actually understand the homework and not be like, oh, I don't get this. And to also ask questions if you don't understand a subject during class. The final topic is how to prepare for an upcoming test. Taking notes is a very useful way to refresh your memory, especially on subjects that you find difficult and really hard to understand. Another thing to do is study smarter, not harder. By this, I mean making charts using flashcards make studying fun for you. And also use things that you can actually memorize, and also use a organizations on how you plan to study each topic. Also study ahead, don't study last minute because you're probably not going to remember everything. And lastly, to get enough sleep before a test. You don't want to be tired when you're taking a test. And in summary, these are some ways to improve in any class in general, or these could also help you in the future. Who knows? It might help. And this is the end.